welcome back to Alaskan Homemaker. I'm Mary. Today I'm making a quick tortilla soup. It's a recipe that I got from my sister, and me and Chad are gonna have it for lunch. I'm making a half a batch because it's just me and Chad for lunch today. So we're gonna get started. I just got this butter out of the freezer, and so we're gonna get that going on the stove so it can thaw. It's a half a stick of butter or a quarter cup of butter. So I'm gonna get that on a medium heat so it can start melting. We're going to use a half of an onion, we've been getting some snow, a little bit of snow. It hasn't. I'm going to get this onion in with this butter. I've got some diced peppers from my garden. Every time I get peppers from my garden, I just chop them up, dice them up, and put them into a freezer bag. And then I just add them to my cooking as needed. So I'm just going to get what looks good, about a half of a pepper's worth of peppers in there. While we're waiting for this butter to melt and those veggies to fry, we're going to get some cheese. And you can get the cheese of your choice. I've got some pepper jack cheese here. You want a good melting cheese for this. I shredded a lot. That way if I have extra, I can use it on something else. Our veggies are looking translucent. So we are going to get a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce into our soup. I've got a 4-ounce can of diced green chilies here. I've got a quart of my home canned chicken broth here. I used about 3 cups of this broth. And I've got some Frank's Red Hot. The original recipe, my sister uses Tabasco sauce, but we love Frank's Red Hot, so that's what we put in ours. And then you just do this to taste, however much you like. Okay, I'm gonna put that much for now. And then we can always add some more later if we need to. And we're going to let that simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Our soup has been simmering for about 20 minutes or so. I turned it down to low and simmered it. So now we'll get some dished up. Here's our soup. And you can put cheese and crushed up tortilla chips on the bottom of it. I like to just sprinkle it on top, but either way is fine. So you want a good amount of cheese. I like to crush a little bit of chips at a time on top. That way they stay crunchy. If you put the cheese and chips and then pour the soup over, then they'll be all kind of mushy. So I like mine to stay crunchy, so I just crumble a few at a time as I'm eating the soup. And here's our delicious tortilla soup. So now we'll give it a taste test. This is so delicious. And I think it's about the consistency of like a tomato soup, for the consistency of the soup. This is really delicious. It's a very simple soup and it's super fast to put together, but it tastes really good. I love recipes like that, don't y'all? The chips that I'm using today are these organic multigrain chips. But you can use any kind of tortilla chip that you like. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you for spending time with me today. I hope you have a blessed day, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.